The raw meat in the bin is pushed to the pre-cutter by a screw, and the orifice plate and the cutter are rotated and squeezed to produce relative movement and ensuring the uniformity of the meat filling. By using different combinations of orifice plates, different particle sizes of meat filling can be achieved. The cutting process is short and the temperature rise is low, which is beneficial for preservation and extends the shelf life. Models above 250 can be directly ground into frozen meat plates. It is widely used in various sausage, ham sausage, lunch meat, meatballs, salty essence, pet food and other meat products.